Assume that you have an online store and you are selling custom product or premium gift, and you want a page to let your customers choose and customize their order. Or you are a 3D designer and you want to gain more experience and take your skills to the next level. Then this course is the best place and the best reference for you. Hello friend, welcome. My name is Altohamy. I'm a 3D product designer and I have experience over 7 years in the field of product design. In this class, I will not show only modeling texturing, as I have explained that in many other classes, but I will explain baking and how you can optimize your model and how you can export working GLT file. Each 3D configurator has its own guidelines, and I will explain that deeply and in details. Also, we will explain 5 different issues that you may find and how we can solve that. Also, we will explain how to export many variations for the same model. This course is rich in exclusive content and information, so don't miss the opportunity. Let's dive into the content and see how you can set up your workspace.